Last year, Amazon affiliate marketing paid me $176,281 in commissions. If you think you need ads, or you need a website, or you need 1,000 of followers, or even to show your face to make money with the Amazon associate in 2026, you are already doing it wrong. In this video, I'll show you how people are using AI with free traffic to earn commissions every single day, even if you are starting from zero. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years, and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll share with you how we can start Amazon affiliate marketing in 2026 using AI. Okay, so the sign up process is super easy and simple. First, you need to create an affiliate account like this one. So this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is summary here. This is my commissions, and this is my bounties over here. Okay, just from bounties, I have made $5,936. Okay, anyway. Step number one, to create your Amazon affiliate account, go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Click on the first link over here like this, and you will be in this page. Click over here on sign up. Okay, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just follow those steps and click on create your Amazon account. And here you go. As you guys can see, the sign up process is really easy. You just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You just need to follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and anyone can sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. You should see summary here, your commissions, and your bounties over here. So what you need to do next is you need to promote a product that people are already paying for on Amazon and that solve problems for people. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think they can work, or you will keep guessing. This business doesn't work like this. You guys need to promote product that solve problems for people. And I will share with you my profitable product that I'm promoting right now with the Amazon as an Amazon affiliate marketer. Okay, so here is what you will do next. You will go to Amazon. Okay, go and open your Amazon website, amazon.com, like this, and here is a product that you guys can promote as beginners. So this product is making me, guys, a lot of commissions. Okay, and let me show you. Click on the search bar of Amazon and search for hair loss. Okay, and millions of people, they have this problem. Okay, hair loss. Okay, and search for this product, guys. Search for this product on Amazon and scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of products on Amazon that solve this problem, and you guys can see here, this is the proof. I'm sharing with you what's working right now. You guys can see that those products are getting crazy sales on Amazon. Look at this one. 90,000 people paid for this products, guys, in the past month. This is crazy. Like, people are paying, we have a lot of people are paying for those products because those products, guys, solve a problem for people. Okay, this is the kind of product that you need to promote. If you are not promoting products that are already getting sales on Amazon, you can't make commissions. Look at this one here. Over 40,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Look at this one. Over 30,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Okay, this is the product that you need to focus on. They are already getting sales on Amazon, meaning that they are working, meaning that those products has high demand and they solve a problem, which is really good. If you scroll more down, you can find a lot of products here, guys. Okay, look at this one, 30,000. Look at this one. Over 50,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Do you understand? This is how you can make commissions. This is how this business works. You cannot go and promote products randomly that you like or that you think they can work. No, guys, you need to promote products that are already getting sales on Amazon. And the product that you need to promote should has at least over 2,000 sales in the past month. The minimum, okay? Anyway, let's choose one of those products, guys. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. I think this one is a good one. Like, 90,000 people paid for this product in the past month. This product solves a big problem, okay, which is hair loss. Okay, so this one is good. So I will click on this product. Just click on the product, guys, that you want to promote. And here you go. Guys, for people who think that Amazon is not paying good commissions, guys, Amazon also is paying high commissions for these products. Guys, you guys can see here the category premium beauty. Okay, they are paying commissions. The commission rates, it's up to 10%, which is really good. Okay, also Amazon is paying good commissions. You just need to choose good products. You just need to promote product that people are already searching for, that's product that solve problems for people. You can make really good commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so you will be directly in this page. So here you go. So you guys can see here we have the how many people paid for these products in the past month. We have the reviews. Look how many reviews, which is really good. So what we need to do next is we need to promote this product, guys, with free traffic. Okay, we don't need to use ads. So here is what you will do next. So to get free traffic, guys, you will go and open Pinterest account. We will use Pinterest. Okay, what you guys don't know, that Pinterest is a search engine platform, and Pinterest, guys, has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly, if you are promoting product that solve problems for people, and if you are using good SEO. Because on Pinterest, followers, that doesn't matter. Okay, what you need to focus on, what's important, since Pinterest is search engine platform, you need to focus on Pinterest SEO. You need to use good title, good keyword in your description, good video that you will use to promote this products. That's how you can make commissions and get clicks and make commissions using Pinterest. Okay, I will show you everything and how you can use it, how you can use AI for Pinterest SEO to rank higher in the search results of Pinterest, so you can get commissions. Okay, anyway, what you will do next, so just create business account with Pinterest. It's super easy and simple. If you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Choose business account. So once you finish, what you will do next, you will click here on home feed. Okay, and click on create pin. So we need to create a pin that we will use to promote our profitable Amazon products, okay, as an Amazon affiliate marketers. So what we will do next, we will go back to Amazon, go back to this Amazon product page. So how we can find and how we can find videos that you guys can use to promote this product as beginners. Copy the name of this product. Okay, I will copy the name of this product like this, and here is, pay close attention please, go to TikTok. Okay, go and open your TikTok account like this. Okay, it's for free and it's easy. Okay, open TikTok, click on the TikTok search bar and search for this product that you want to promote, this one. Okay, like this, just search for the products, and here you go. You will find here a lot of creators on TikTok who are talking about this product, okay, who already use this product, which is really good. So we will use one of those TikTok videos. Of course, we will give credit to this creator that we will use his video. I'll show you how you can do it safe and correctly so you can make commissions. Just follow those steps. Okay, so let's pick one video. You will find, guys, a lot of videos that you can test. So for example, guys, if you want to promote, for example, this one product, you should test at least between 3 and up to 5 videos. Okay, and see which video is getting clicks, getting views, and double what's working and avoid what's not working. So for me, I will choose, let me see, I think this one, like this one is good. So I will use, guys, this video. Okay, so I will click on this one. So just click on the video that you want to use. So this customer is talking about his experience with this product, explain the product. You should watch the video and make sure to choose good videos. Okay, so for me, I will give you an example. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Okay, so what I will do next, I need to download this video to my laptop. So here is what I will do. I will copy the link of the video and I will go to this website, Snaptik. You can go to Google and search for Snaptik, click on the first link, and you can use it for free to download TikTok videos. Click here and put the link of the video that you want to download. Click here on download like this. And what you will do next, you just need to click on download video. Okay, and the video will be downloaded into your laptop. Okay, like this. You see, It's super easy and simple. So what you will do next, guys, so now we have a video which is really good. We will go back to Pinterest, okay? And we will click over here and upload our video, okay, that we want to promote about this product. Click on open, and here you go. You should know that videos convert better than image, okay? If you want to start working with Amazon affiliate marketing, you should use videos. Always use videos because videos convert better, okay? And here you go. We have our video. We need a title and we need description and we need our affiliate link. So let's start with the title. We will go back to this product page and we will copy this title like this. Copy the product title, and here we will start using AI. So just go to ChatGPT and ask him, guys, turn this product title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO to rank higher on Pinterest, and put the title of the product, okay? And ask also ChatGPT and create a description too, and give credit to this TikTok creator and put the name of the TikTok creator that you are using his video here, okay? Because we are using his video, okay? And that's it, okay? And if you will ask, you will just send this to ChatGPT, and here you go. ChatGPT will give you a good Pinterest pin title, SEO optimized title. Here you go. We have our title here, which is really good. So I will copy just this one, this part. Copy your title, go back to Pinterest and put your title here. Okay, you need description. Go back to ChatGPT and here is your description. Struggling with 10 in here after 45. You guys can see this is the description. Also, we have this is very important. Always give credit to the TikTok creator that you are using his videos, okay? In your Pinterest pin description, always mention the TikTok creator that you are using his video. This is super important, so you cannot get any problems. And here is ChatGPT will give you also hashtags, tags, everything. You just need to start using AI. Go back to Pinterest, put this description here, really good. What we will do next, we'll go back to ChatGPT. Also, guys, we have here the keyword that you guys can use in your tags. So you can copy those keyword, guys, okay? And go back to Pinterest and scroll down, and here on tags, you can put those keywords like this, okay? Super easy and simple. And what you will do next also, you need to put your Amazon affiliate link here. So here is what you will do next, guys. You will go back to your Amazon product page that you are promoting, to the products page that you are promoting, and to get your affiliate link, just click here on get link, and this is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this link, guys, okay? Just copy this link and go back to Pinterest and put this link here, okay? What you will do next, you will scroll down and click on choose a board, and if you have a new account, click on create a board, okay? And you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And each board, you need to promote same niche, okay? Don't promote different niches in one board, okay? One board should has one specific niche. I hope it's clear, okay? I already have here a lot. I will choose this one. This account that I'm sharing with you, I'm using it just to show you guys. It's not my main account. It's not my Pinterest main account. I'm using this account to show you how you can do it, okay? So once you finish, this is your board. This is your tags. You can put your tags here, like I said. Everything looks really good. So what you will do next, we have our title using AI. We have description, credit to the TikTok creator, our Amazon affiliate link, our video. It's really good. We will click on publish, and your affiliate link, your Amazon affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. And here you go. That's exactly how we can start Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic and using AI, okay? This is the method that beginners can start with, okay? If you also, guys, want to take this business seriously, and I have been doing this business for over 6 years, so I know exactly how this business works, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I will send you all the details. I have an affiliate marketing course that I created step by step, explaining to you how you can start Amazon affiliate marketing from scratch in 2026, and how you can make your own content, faceless content. You don't have to show your face. You don't need to use your voice, and you can use free AI tools and so much more. If you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and I will send you all the details. Thank you so much for watching again. If you find this video helpful, I shared with you almost everything here that you can start with. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, because I will still upload a lot of methods that will help you guys to make commissions, how you can promote affiliate links on Instagram, on TikTok, Quora, on Reddit, YouTube Shorts, YouTube long videos, and so much more. Okay? And see you in my next videos.